Step 1 is to print out a bunch of butterflies. I got mine off Pinterest by looking up multiple butterfly drawings. Step 2 is to cut out all the butterflies. Step 3 is to thread and knot your needle with your thread. Step 4 is folding the butterfly in half. You're then going to grab your needle and thread and push a hole through the spine part of your paper butterfly. From that point, you're going to flip the butterfly around and puncture the other side. I guess my kitten wanted to help me sew. Do it again till your butterfly looks like this when it's open. Take this little piece of string and dangle your butterfly. You're going to wrap the string around the antenna, and ta-da! Your butterfly is now done! Okay, so what we're going to do is attach these butterflies, which I made all different lengths, to my ceiling. I'm too short. Bye! Thank you so much for watching!